Hey sales reps, my name is Edward Hubbard, and my company, HighDev Mobile, built this tool named Prophet, which helps Oracle sales reps show consumption of cloud services on a projection plan clearly. So what you're going to do is you can create an account or you can log in. Once you log in, you'll be able to create a new project. Once you go to create a new project, we have two options. We have a blank template or a pre-made template. So we'll use the AWS to OCI migration, and we'll call this Oracle migration. Create. Once you're in, you select this, open it up, and you see with this preset template, we've actually put in a few SKUs in here, and you can see everything month to month. You can scroll down here to see your usage, for example, from June, July, August, all the way through May. This is your total 1 year cost. We're applying a 10% discount. So let's say if I'm talking to the client on the fly, I can apply a 25% discount, and that will be automatically reflected here with your total yearly cost down here. You have the ability to copy different SKUs. For example, with this button here, if you want to add a new one, you have the ability to add a SKU here, which we've already pre-populated. You want to export, you can click export. I can export to PDF, Excel, or Microsoft Project. If I click PDF, for example, it will start to download the PDF for you, which you can send right away to your clients, which is super fast and easy. So I click save. If I open it up, you'll see here, it actually puts it all together for you, again, which you can share directly with your clients, and they can scroll and look through everything and have a clear projection of all their costs. If I go back here, I also have the ability to share this with my sales reps or my sales consultants, my SCs. If I go back, I can also create a new project, and let's say if we use a blank slate, and we'll use Oracle NVIDIA as the project name, for example. I'll click create, and here I'll select Oracle NVIDIA. I'll open it up. And as you can see, you have a brand new slate here. The way you start adding work streams is through here. I'll call this Oracle migration, for example. Save. And then you can start adding the different products in, just like I've shown you before. And from there, you can drag and drop everything. You can copy different tasks here, work streams here. You can apply your discounts here. Everything is super clear, super easy. We made this intuitive as possible, and we hope this helps you in real time with your clients, helps you basically close them faster, be able to share with your SC, come up with costs, and have a clear projection plan of your month-to-month costs for using Oracle's cloud products. So hope you enjoy. Thank you.